If Photoshop is showing a scratch disk full error or a disk error, don't worry because in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. This is one of the most common Photoshop issues, and it usually happens when the drive Photoshop uses for temporary files runs out of space. That can stop tools from working properly, slow everything down, or even prevent Photoshop from opening at all. The good news is that this is usually a very fixable problem. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, if Photoshop is already open, you want to clear out some of the temporary data that may be causing the issue. Go up to Edit, then choose Purge, and then click All. In some cases, you may also see options like Video Cache. This removes cached clipboard data and history states that can take up valuable memory and space while you're working. Just keep in mind that once you purge this data, you won't be able to recover those recent states, so only do this if you're ready to clear them. Next, if the error is still happening, the most important thing is to free up space on the scratch disk drive itself. Photoshop usually needs a lot of room to work properly, and if your drive is too full, the app can start throwing disk errors. A good rule of thumb is to make sure you have at least 50 gigabytes of free space available on that drive. To do that, delete files you no longer need, clear out large downloads, remove old project files, and empty your trash or recycle bin. On Windows, you can also open storage settings and run the built-in cleanup tools. On Mac, you can use optimized storage or the built-in storage management options to remove unnecessary files more efficiently. After freeing up space, it's a good idea to fully restart Photoshop. Don't just minimize it or switch windows, completely close the program and open it again. This helps clear temporary workspace files and gives Photoshop a fresh start. In many cases, that alone is enough to solve the problem. Now, if your main drive is still full and this keeps happening, the best long-term fix is to change the scratch disk to another drive that has more free space. This is especially helpful if your primary drive is small or nearly full all the time. To do that in Photoshop on Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Scratch Disks. Here, you'll see a list of available drives. Check the box next to a different drive that has plenty of free space and uncheck the drive you want Photoshop to stop using. Once that's done, click OK and restart Photoshop so the change takes effect. If you're on a Mac, the process is very similar, but the Preferences menu may appear slightly differently depending on your version of Photoshop. The important thing is to make sure Photoshop is using a drive with enough room to handle its temporary files. After restarting, test Photoshop again and see if the disk error is gone. In most cases, clearing cache, freeing up drive space, and switching the scratch disk will solve the problem completely. If Photoshop still won't open, go back and double check that the new scratch disk is enabled and that the original drive is no longer selected if it's full. Also, make sure the new drive is connected properly and has enough free storage available. A scratch disk error usually looks complicated, but the fix is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. So just remember the three main steps: clear Photoshop cache, free up at least 50 gigabytes of space, and change the scratch disk if needed. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Photoshop troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.